Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to fix notifications not working on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Unlock your Galaxy phone and open the Settings applications. This is the central hub for managing your phone's important functions, including connections, apps, privacy, sound, and notifications. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Then open Do Not Disturb mode and make sure it's turned off. If this mode is enabled, notifications will be silenced even if your apps are allowed to send them. Step 3. Go back to the previous screen and tap on App Notifications. Here, check that notifications are enabled for all the apps you want to receive alerts from. Some apps may have their notifications disabled by default, so enabling them is crucial. Step 4. Next, tap on Lock Screen Notifications and ensure it is enabled and set to Show Notifications. This ensures that alerts are visible even when your phone is locked. Step 5. Go back to Settings, scroll down, and open the Battery menu. Make sure Power Saving mode is disabled, as it can restrict notifications to save battery. Step 6. Return to Settings and tap Apps. Select any app that is having notification issues, scroll to Storage, and tap both Clear Cache and Clear Data. This refreshes the app and resolves minor glitches. Step 7. Back in the Apps menu, tap the three-dot icon at the top right corner, select Reset App Preferences, and confirm. This restores default app settings without deleting personal data. Step 8. Finally, restart your phone by holding the power and volume down buttons simultaneously, then select Restart. Once your phone reboots, your notification issues should be fixed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.